Hey, how you doing? It's Gio Gionta here, and I just wanted to go over a bonus training that I did for you guys, and I'm going to be giving this to you for free. So you're going to want to watch this video so you could actually see what's included on this page, because anybody who is interested in learning how to build their business, if you've been in network marketing and you've been trying to build your business for a while now and you're just not having any success, you don't know how to market yourself, anything like that, I did a little training right here that I'm going to be giving you guys for free. For anybody who is interested, I left the link in the description. Is all you have to do is put in your email, and is what's going to happen is this page is going to be sent to you, and you're going to be able to get all of this content right here for free. I just wanted to let you know about the content, and we're going to go down the page here so you can actually see what's involved, because is what I do is I try to show people exactly how to market online, and the importance of having a system in place that does the follow-up for you and all the hard work for you. So all you have to do is follow up and build a relationship. And it's very important to build a list online. If you're not building a list, you're going to want to watch this video as well. This is also part of this page that I'm showing you. It's going to have all this training on this page. So if you don't know what this page is, this is a bonus training that I created for anybody who gives me their email address. And in exchange, I wanted them to get value. I wanted them to learn stuff. So I created this bonus training page by video for free, that I'm giving away to anybody who just gives me their email. So if you look here in this picture right here, who are these people, right? So this is basically a picture of me and my bud Justice Egan and Fernie and Tim Irway. If you don't know who Tim Irway is, he's the CEO of Elite Marketing Pro. He's a 9 to 10 figure earner, and I don't know if you know who this guy right here is, but that is Ray Higdon. Ray Higdon is a top earner in everything that he does. He's well known for blogging in network marketing. I mean, blogging is his go-to traffic source, and he's a multi-million-dollar earner a year, and he is a well-respected coach in the industry as well. So if you look up Ray Higdon, if you look up Tim Irway, and this is Kate Mache. This is also a buddy of mine, and this is Megan Pesco-Solido. If you've ever heard of Michelle and Bill Pesco-Solido, they're 7-figure earners in the industry. They're also known for doing blogging and doing online marketing through Facebook as well. So these are just a couple people that I became friends with while I was at some big marketing events. I'm really good friends with my bud right here, Justice. I've learned a lot from him, and he's a real good friend of mine. So everything that I have on this page is things that I've learned throughout my time in network marketing and in marketing online. One of the first big things that I believe in is doing mindset. You want to work on your mind, you want to work on your belief, you want to work on the negative energy that you have going through your head, and try to get that to a positive energy and believe that you could do it. You need to have confidence in yourself when it comes to marketing, and believe that you could do it, because you could change your whole entire life just by the way you think. Any negative thoughts that we believe, they're just limitations. They're perceptions that we have within ourselves. They're dealt within ourselves that we have, that we've built up over a period of time, and they're basically stories that we tell ourselves. They're stories that we tell ourselves based on past failures. But the past failures are not our present. What we've done in the past, just because we failed a couple times, doesn't mean we're a failure. Doesn't mean it's not possible to do what we want to do in life. We can do whatever we want to do in life. We just have to, believe and have that confidence and focus on our mindset. And we can't worry about things that happened in the past, and we have to only focus on what we can do in the future. So just because you failed in the past, it doesn't mean that it doesn't work. It doesn't mean that you're a failure. It just means that you had to fail to learn something, and you take that lesson and you apply it, and you keep going, and you keep moving forward, and you're going to have success if you just do that. So one of the biggest things that I've learned is to actually work on the mindset, right? Okay, so the first video that I have in this bonus training for you guys is basically I'm showing you exactly how to get prospects to your offers, how to build online, and how to build a list, because list building is very important. You always want to be retaining your contacts. You always want to be having prospects that come to you. They could come to you and you don't have to go to them. So that's a very important note. When you're online, you could have people who actually express their interest and they find you, and you don't have to find them. And this is exactly what this first video shows you. And basically, this is a marketing system that I use. It's a $7 system, so you can get started for only $7 and start building a list. It's a $7 one-time fee, and you can start building a list and start making commissions from the system. So that's a really cool part about this. And I'll also be a mentor to you. So if you sign up and you get started with me, I'll be a mentor to you, and I'll be able to help you along the way through this process. Now, if you choose to upgrade, you're gonna be able to earn more. You could earn $100 commissions, $400 commissions. Now you could earn all the way up to $1,000 commissions in the system. So it's very exciting news. And anybody who upgrades to a platinum level, they will be able to get a coaching call with me, a one-on-one coaching call. I want to stress that. And then in this video, basically, one of the other people that are earning a lot with this platform that I promote, they're going to show you exactly how to do targeting with your capture page to get the right type of prospects to see what you have to offer, and get it really narrowed down to whatever it is that you're selling. This is what this video shows you. And there's also a training hangout that you want to see that we do, and you want to watch that. And in this video right here, I'll show you some tools to share your results. So whenever you get a result, how you can actually capture that result and send it out to your list. It's very important to be showcasing your results and your progress to your list to other people, so it's believable and they can see the progress that you're making. And that's what this video teaches you about. And these tools that I show in this video, they are free tools that you could use, so they won't cost you any money out of pocket, and you can get started using them now. So that's part of the training that I offer. And okay, and here is a method that I use to actually fund my advertising. So I use this method to actually be able to pretty much build up a perpetual source of income just for me to buy traffic. That's the main thing that I use this for. It's it's the main thing that I use it for is just to generate more income just for the traffic. And right here is a way to actually build a list online, but they build the list for you. So you sign up for free and they start adding people to your list, and you could actually market to those people that are on this. So anybody who signs up underneath you, they get on your list, and you really don't have to do anything to build that list. It's pretty much built for you. So that's what this is right here. And then in this video, here's another way to get leads and get people to you coming to seeing your offer, because it's all about getting people to see what you have to offer. So in this program right here, you basically, it's a one-time small fee, and then from there you're able to have this system in place, and it generates leads for you of people who are already in the network marketing industry, who have been in network marketing, who have built MLM companies, and there are already people that are in it. This is basically for people who like using the phone and talking to people in person, and you could also promote your whatever your main opportunity is within the system. So even if they don't join you in your primary opportunity, there's people that need leads, so they'll get this system just for the leads. And this is very, very inexpensive to get unlimited leads for life, and you could use this system and you could just use it, but you have to call people within this system. So if calling is for you, if you like talking to people better, then I would suggest taking a look at this. In video 6, I teach you all about optimizing your videos for YouTube so they rank. If you search any terms in network marketing or MLM, you'll probably see one of my videos on the top page. Right here I share exactly how I do that. So if you want to learn about how to market online and how to optimize your videos so that they're in the first page of Google and YouTube, you're going to want to watch this, because you want to get your videos on the first page so that people see them. And this is I'm giving this to you for free. I'm going to show you exactly how to do your research on your keywords for your videos, so you can optimize your videos and start getting some traffic from YouTube. Because it's very important, because YouTube videos like the one that I'm doing right now are very important to get traffic to. And if you don't get the traffic from YouTube, then you're missing out, because a lot of people use YouTube. It's a number 2 search engine in the world. So you want to be using YouTube, and you want to be getting leads from YouTube for free. So this is basically what this video teaches you. It's more on video 7 is more on pre-optimizing your YouTube video, so you can actually optimize it before you upload it to YouTube, and I'll show you that. And it's pretty much also how to get it to rank. It goes with video 6. Then video 8 is how to do your YouTube description so that it ranks, and how to get the best results with your video, with your description, how to write out your description for your YouTube videos, which is really cool. So you're gonna want to check that out as well. It's video 8. Video 9 is customized thumbnails for your videos. You want to get the customized thumbnails created, and these are also free programs that you could use to design your video thumbnails. I take you through that and exactly what I do to get those nice looking thumbnails that you see on my videos, and it also creates a more professional image and branding for you. So this is exactly what I go over in video 9. In video 10 is all about marketing on Craigslist. It's the same guy that pretty much he is a top earner with the programs that I'm using as well. He goes over Craigslist marketing and exactly how to market on Craigslist for some more free traffic. So if you're looking for free traffic methods and paid traffic methods, I go over all that. So this is what this teaches you. This is the free traffic. Here's a quality paid traffic. I offer a service to where people could get traffic from me, and they don't even have to really do anything. I'll provide the traffic for them. So they sign up with me, and then they just get the traffic. I handle everything else, and they don't really have to know how to do anything themselves. If they just prefer a done-for-you solution, that's what this is. And then down here are other traffic methods that you could use yourself. These are two well-known traffic sources that you could use yourself and do your own traffic if you prefer to do that. And then down here is a routine. It walks you through exactly what to do on a day-to-day basis, so you understand exactly how to do your marketing online and what to do on a day-to-day basis. So this is very, very important, and this is exactly what I'm giving you. Video 12, it tells you about the LITS method, which is a method that I use. Pretty much it's a term that I created, and it lets you know how to follow up with your prospects. So in your emails, how to follow up when you get a result. What do you do when you get a result? What happens after those people say, I want in? This is exactly what that teaches you. So you're going to want to look at video 12. So this is how you get the maximum results after you get your traffic, after you do your advertising, after you're getting, paid advertising come into your funnel. What do you do after for the follow-up? This is going to show you exactly what to do. And then the last thing is my bud Justice in the top. His go-to marketing strategy is Facebook ads, and he shows you exactly how he's been able to build a multiple six-figure income from Facebook advertising, and this is what this course teaches you. So if you're interested in learning more about Facebook advertising and how to do it the correct way to earn online, this is what this course is. And then last but not least, it's a link to my Facebook group. So if you're interested and you want to learn more about what I'm doing, or you need help, or you want somebody to guide you and be your coach and your mentor, make sure you get into my Facebook group, so that way you could get updates from me. You could see what's going on. You could see exactly how to do this, so you could make an informed decision whether it would be something that you want to get involved with or not. But I'm here to help. That's why I want to give you this free training. So make sure you click on that link below this video so you could put your email in and get on the training. You're going to come to a page like this. It basically, I have a certain number of spots for people. Once this fills up, it fills up, but I want to get people in here, and I only have a certain number of people that I'm giving this training to. So I'm going to leave a link below in the description. You're going to go to that page, you're going to put in your email, then it's going to bring you to here, and you're going to be able to get this training for free. I'm not charging you anything for it. You'll get it simply for putting your email in. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I appreciate you, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, bye.